Umama kocinga kukho izinto gqitha kuzo.
I'm not doing this, okay? Tell her I said bye. India Funhouse in case they need me.
Uzame nje ukuthi ubheke ukuthi yakho umuntu okulandelayo.
Hayi no, ngayiyeka kanti apha nje. Akho umuntu uzayenza ndi safe apha.
Better be.
Any chance you could help me with the cold case? This thing is, it's just gonna haunt me forever. I need to know.
You think someone planted a track?
You have to admit, it looks like we are onto something here.
Yeah, it definitely does.
Generations The Legacy, weekdays at 8 p.m. on SABC1.
You think he's running a solo op? Solo op, engaziwayo. Inyenzela sisipane ntwana sithole uba uphezu kwantoni lo mjida lona before ubulalisa abanye abantu bethu.
Ubezokwenzani kanti?
He didn't even check the whole room. Basically went straight for Namhla's laptop. Like if I can forget kome. Nyabo?
Hoe kom vat hy nie die blurry ding nie?
Mhlawumbe bengazelanga lento.
When's Anton?
I'm checking if my bag is clean.
You think someone planted